Chapter 1, A Sunny Day. Once upon a time on a sunny day, there was a rabbit walking through the forest. Then the rabbit met two of his rabbit friends, and decided to discover the forest. Chapter 2, The Discovery. While walking, they hear strange noises coming from the forest. So they decide to follow the noise. They followed the noises, and realized it was coming from a strange-looking house. Then they decided to take a peek and investigate inside. Chapter 3, Inside the Workshop. They enter the house workshop and are amazed to see Easter eggs. Then they started creating their own Easter eggs to take them back to the forest. Chapter 4, Running Low on Supplies. Then they realized they were running low on drawing supplies and are not able to make more eggs. The rabbits put their heads together and came up with a creative solution. Chapter 5, The Creative Solution. The rabbits decided to make smaller Easter eggs that will take less time and supplies to make. They were so happy with their idea and directly started drawing on small Easter eggs. Chapter 6, A Race Against Time. Just when they thought all is going well, a big storm rolled in, ruining all of the eggs. They were so sad and frustrated when they felt all their hard work may go to waste. Chapter 7, After the Storm. They started rushing to finish creating their Easter eggs to return safely to their home. When they finished the eggs, they were proud of their teamwork. They filled their baskets with all the Easter eggs they created. They happily returned to their forest with their Easter eggs. The end.